Welcome to our channel. Verifying your Xbox Live account enhances security and unlocks full access to Xbox services and features. Step 1. Sign into your Xbox console or visit the Microsoft account website using your Xbox Live credentials. Step 2. Navigate to the Account Settings or Security section, where you'll find options to manage your account verification settings. Step 3. Add a verified email address to your account if you haven't already, ensuring it's an email you can access regularly. Step 4. Check your email inbox for the verification message from Microsoft and click the verification link provided in the email. Step 5. Set up two-step verification for added security by going to the security settings and enabling this feature. Step 6. Choose your preferred verification method, either through email, text message, or an authenticator app like Microsoft Authenticator. Step 7. Complete the two-step verification setup by entering the code sent to your chosen method and saving your backup codes in a safe place. Step 8. Test your account verification by signing out and back in to ensure the two-step process is working correctly and your account is secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.